Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Web. This is Vijay Kumar. In the last lesson, we have to learn how to display parent to child recording or a component. In this lesson, we will be see how to use application event in Lightning component. So here I will be handling between two Lightning component and passing the value from parent to child component in Salesforce. So let's jump to my Salesforce org. So first we will create a lightning event. So go to the file, new, and there is a lightning event. Select lightning event and write the name of the event. So I already created. This is my lightning event, wrap check box event. So type equal to application and here access equal to global. Inside the lightning event, I create a attribute that is a boolean type attribute. So attribute name is self checkbox self check value and type boolean default equal to false. So this boolean by default return a false value. Then I will create a two component. So I created two component, event handler component and event register component. So this handler component will be called on the register event. So in the handler event, I will create a attribute or a handler, and here I will pass the event name and action. So I am passing the event name equal to event that is the name of the event that is create this event name. I passing to the here and this is an action. So action will be defined in the JavaScript. Now I am creating an attribute that is a checkbox boolean type. Then create div class SLDS P around medium. Here I will create a lightning checkbox. Not a lightning checkbox, it is a lightning input and type equal to checkbox and our ID equal to I'm passing the ID and then value equal to curly bracket. Here is the function. Function is a this is a function of handler. So I created this section in the JavaScript. So component event and helper it is a by default parameter, and here I will get the value of boolean. So here if you go to the event, there is a attribute self check value. So I will get the parameter of event. So create a variable equal to event dot get params in the bracket pass the value. So this is the self check value that is the attribute value of event. Then component of set v dot this is the attribute value self child deal pass the attribute name comma and pass this get parameter value. So I am setting the value in this boolean to the get parameter value of this. Now save the file component and controller. Now go to the register event event. This is another component, event register CMP. So this component will be called into this register component. So event handler CMP, this is a child component and this is a parent component. So I will call C colon event handler CMP. So this component call into the registered event component, and here I will create a div. This div overlap the container class SLDS speed around medium. So here I will create lightning button. Lightning button label equal to check value. I will check the value of boolean and will pass the variant brand so that display is a blue color this button, and here I will pass a on click function. So value name check value. I am creating a function name check while. So this function will be created into the JavaScript. So copy the name and create a function name here. In the event register component, I will create a registered event attribute. So Aura registered event, and here will be name and type. So name, this is the name of the registered event, and this is the type C colon, this is the name of the event, this one. So in the JavaScript, I will create a variable name wrapcheck, and here I will get the event. So $a.get, this is the syntax to get the event name. This is the name of the event. This event I am getting this here. So first I will get the event. Then wrapcheck this variable dot set params. Params and bracket, curly bracket. Here I will passing the attribute value equal to true. So this is the pass the double quote dot colon and true. So I am passing the value self check value equal to true. Then wrap check. So get the event name and dot file. Save. So I am getting error whenever saving the. So line number 6. So here do not need to mark semicolon. So remove the semicolon from here, then save the file. File has been saved. Now I will call this component to the application. So this is a parent component, this is a child component. So I will call the parent component into the custom app. So this is my custom app. So I already created. So here I will call the component C colon. Name of the component event register CMP. Event register CMP. save and preview the component. So here as well, you can see there are button and there is a checkbox. So if you want to display a background beside the button and checkbox, so we will create a lightning card here. Lightning card. This lightning card will be write all over the content here, and we can put a title, application event, in in our component. Save and refresh the page. You will get a white background. Yes. So lightning card provide the white background of the deep your content. So in this example, this is a checkbox created on the parent component. This lightning button created on the parent component. This checkbox created on the parent component. So as you can see, this is a lightning button. This is a parent component. Whenever click on the button, passing to the true value into the child component. In the child component, I create a lightning checkbox. So whenever clicking on the button, checkbox not working. Let me check my code. So if I am clicking on the button, checkbox would be checked. So I use lightning input type checkbox. So whenever click on the button, this checkbox does not working. So instead of the lightning input type checkbox, I will use a UI input checkbox. So instead of the lightning input checkbox, I am using the UI input checkbox, and rest of the things are same. Our ID and this is a function that is created in the JavaScript, and save the file, refresh. Now I am clicking on the button. So whenever clicking on the button, will be pass the value true. By default, it is a false. Whenever click on the button, this button will be pass the true value and it checkbox will be true. So now click on the button. So you can see this button has been changed, and whenever click on the button, this checkbox will be true. So I am passing the value on click button true using the application event. So passing the value from parent to child. So this button, it is available on the parent component, or this checkbox available on the child component. So whenever click on the button, passing the value parent to child using the application. If you want to display custom form, whenever checkbox is checked below the checkbox, then I will customize the go to the developer console, and here I will create a custom form. So first I will create a oral if. So I will check a condition. This if checkbox checked, then display a custom form. So inside I is true equal to so I created this form and save the file. Now refresh the page. If user click on the button, this checkbox is checked, then display custom form. So now check, and here you can see custom form is displayed below the checkbox. So when you click, I am passing the true value. If this checkbox get true, then I am opening it custom form here.